Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT in 2025. If you want to create content faster, better, and smarter with AI, here's how you can use ChatGPT like a pro, prompts, canvas, and even images. Let's go. In this video, I'll show you how you can write better prompts, use Canvas for long projects, generate and edit images right inside ChatGPT, plus hidden tips to level up your workflow. So, mastering the prompt. So, a prompt is what you type to ChatGPT to get a result. The clearer, the better the response. So, for example, here you can this is the example of prompt. Write me a YouTube title about Canva tips in a fun and engaging way. For example, like this, you can hit on enter and see the response from the ChatGPT. Yeah, you can see ChatGPT will give you lots of answer options, so you can just choose which one that you think fits your needs the best. And if you want to use the Canvas features, what is Canvas? It's a workspace for long form writing or code, and it's great for blog posts, scripts, stories, or managing big projects. So what you need to do is just click on Canvas, and then you can create text docs and then type and edit live, and you can rewrite, comment, and track changes like a pro. And how you can use the image feature. So you can also ask ChatGPT to generate an image with a prompt like, for example, generate a fantasy city with neon lights at night. Okay, and you'll see the image created by ChatGPT. You can also download it right away if you like with the result. Let's just wait for a few seconds here. So this is the result for my prompt in here. As you guys can see here, you can download the image, and there's extra tips for me if you want or a power user. So you can use system messages for role-based replies on ChatGPT, and you can also keep a list of favorite prompts in notes or docs so you can reuse it later. And you need to also try voice input on mobile, and you can also export responses into Google Docs or Sheets. For example, this one here, you can just click on share and you can export the response. So that's how you can unlock the full power of ChatGPT, not just chatting but creating like never before. So smash the like if this helped, and also subscribe and click on the thanks for more tips. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.